Mr. Godofredo Lumboy, the acting vice mayor. Sir, good afternoon. Mr. Ferdinand Siba, the acting Sangguniang member. Mr. Fernando David, Mr. Jackson de los Reyes, Ms. Mabel Cuanco, and Mr. TJ Siba.
Can I request Mayor Timbang to stay here to serve as a witness as kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I of the municipality of Pampanga, having assumed the position of pursuant to the LGMC number 2019-21 or the operational guidelines and rules in implementing Administrative Order number 15, series of 2018,
or operational guidelines and rules in implementing Administrative Order number 15, series of 2018.
hereby solemnly swear
Hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
and of all others that may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will bear faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the OPP of Mambato government officials.
Secretary sir. Sir, secretary sir, pwede mo po. Yes sir. Thank you sir, thank you sir, thank you sir. Ma'am na makayalo ma'am.
Siyempre, ito yung ano yun.
Oh sir, okay na kayo? Okay, okay. Okay. Thank you sir.
Witness daw.
Kabilang time sir. Kaya ka Dito ko sa kapila sir. Ready sir? Okay. Okay. Thank you sir.
May we now open the floor for questions from our media friends.
Siguro later on, we could also have a press conference to discuss things not only about this taking but other issues. Lalo na yung kung sa nangyayari dito sa Davao. Okay? Check na po ako sa dali. Just give me 1 minute.
Here the opening statement of SALG, Attorney Benner Apples Jr.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat at sa mga nakikinig po sa ating mga kaibigan sa media. Ngayong hapon po ay nakita po natin ang panimpa. Ang nakita po natapos ay ang acting mayor, si Mayor Timbang ng Bangkang Tarlac. Asiwain ko lang po yung pasinagani sa Tarlac, ang mayor si Alice ko ay permanently
dismiss na po, wala na po. No? So, ang nagiging acting mayor ay yung konsihal na number 1. Pero ang nangyari po, lahat ng konsihal ay na-dismiss for 3 months. Except for one person. Isa lang ako natira, at yun po si Councilor Timbang, na ngayon po ay dahil sa batas po natin, siya po ang tatayong alkalde ngayon, acting na mayor ng Bamban for 3 months. And so, dahil po dito, yung pipilapan natin ang vice mayor at ang mga konsihal. So, paano pag-fill up nito? Number 1, meron po sa kanilang 3 partido. Yung partido nung ang mag-nominate kung sino yung palalagay ko nila. So, tingnan po namin sa partido yun. Yung natitira naman ay nagkaroon kami ng committee na binubuo nila Regional Director Guida kasama si Yusek Iringan, 3 member ng civil society at isa sa Manila. Isa Manila. O PCL, Philippine Councilors League. So sila po ay tinignan ng mga listahan at yung po ang nabuo, yung po mga nanumpa po kanina. No? So, kumpleto na po ang ating mga opisyalis acting ng Bamban Tarlac. Yung po ang nangyari ngayon. Ang tanong po rito, after 3 months, ano na ang mangyayari? After 3 months, babalik tayo po ang mga nasuspinde na mga opisyalis po. No? In short, ano mangyayari kay Mayor, acting Mayor Timbang, he will again follow the law on succession. So, ang law on succession is that kung wala yung mayor, ang papalit yung vice mayor. So, ang uupong mayor ng Bamban Tarlac ay na-dismiss na vice mayor. At ang uupo naman, nasuspindi na vice mayor. Siya po magiging acting mayor. At of course, yun naman, naiiwan ang konsihal o number 1 councilor, no? Which is si Councilor Acting Mayor Timbang ang magiging Vice Mayor. No? At babalik na po ang ibang konsihal. Ganun po ang naging proseso sa Bamban Tarlac. Nasaksihan po ninyo ngayong hapon. Okay? So, siguro after this, maraming salamat. Acting, I just congratulate each and every one of you. No? We have much work to do in Bamban. Maski maikli pa naman po ito. Okay? Pumunta kayo. Thank you.